Okay. Makita ka ba? Okay. Hi guys. We are going to stop shaking. I'm not. We're in the car and it's so shaky. It's so shaky in the car. So it's very shaky in the car. So look at this. No, guys, if you don't know your name is
What is
Luma. Okay. So we're in the car because there's so much shakies. We're going to KCC and we're gonna buy things. And I thought we're going to SSM. And then each one of our morning routine. But we're not. Wait lang, quiet. His face look like that. We didn't do our morning routine properly, but I already have a challenge yet. If technically our morning routine, I just decided to do. Don't watch my videos. Boom. Okay. So, Uy, hindi ko makita. Okay, sorry. Okay, so, we have not much to say, but we're gonna vlog ourselves going to KCC. Technically, it is a trip, but so we're gonna post. I thought we're going to SM, but we're actually going to KCC. Ang kulit niya guys, ang kulit. Kulit din ni Hello. Guys, kulit ako guys. Hindi ako kulit eh. Sabi nila oo. Narinig mo ba sila? Hindi. Wow. Very good. Wala sila Don't sit there. Don't sit there for my hair. Don't pull I am not pulling your hair. I am not pulling your hair. Habang guys, ang kulit. Ay! Sorry. No. Don't touch it. Babi! Go pala. We have nothing to say, so we're just gonna give you that. Play together. It's just an experience. Yo! Go on the other side. Go on that. Wait lang. Hindi, dyan lang yan. Go to the other side, bro. Other side. Ano other side? You can see your other eye. Other eye, bro. They can see my other eye. Bro. Yeah, they can see. So, don't you dare put your head there. So, it's just a vlog. So guys, guys, ang kulit niya guys, as in, ang kulit niya. Yak, laway. Guys, I didn't fix my hair is so frizzy, but that doesn't matter. Yak, sige lang sa speed sa akin. Sige lang sa dupla sa akin.
Nagbili na si Papi ng anong gamot?
No. Sip-on. Hay, ang sip-on ni Hello. My sip-on is mas annoying.
Nakadala tisyo?
She has ubo. Ubo is cough and cough! Laway! Natupla siya sa akin.
Ito, yan, What yan?
Yan, funny yan na ha. Okay, so mga leakses. You are mga leakses. Oh my god. You are leakses. Your fan name is leakses. It's just a vlog. If you don't know why I'm doing this, it's because of Yet so shout out. Yet. Yeah,
you don't.
We don't. It's very shaky because, of course, we're in the car. Very shaky. Alangan may car na smooth masyado. Wow. Wow, booties. Guys, about her, kung nandito kayo, she's very sass, she's very kulit, she's very maingay, she's very annoying, she's very talkative. And guys, do you remember us or something? Do they remember us, ate? Tsaka, isa pa. Englishera. Oh. Pa. Don't you put your bun right there. Pa. Lang. Parang tayo nasa go? Huh? Ate, do you remember? Guys, I'll show you guys wait lang. Oh. You crossed the line, bro. Kanan? Bro. Hoy. Go. Yan lang. What's a butterfly? It's digong. Butterfly. Guys, like, I know. You're a butterfly. Oh. B reminds me of something. You're a butterfly, bro. Subscribe if you want digong to come back. Do you like butterflies? Digong is, ano, if you're from Philippines, then you know who digong is. Butterflies coming down. Sarap. Do you like butterflies? Okay, if you like butterflies, comment down below. I also like cats and butterflies. I don't like cats. Whoever likes cats, like, if you like dogs, subscribe. Kung subscribe ang cats. No. Dogs are subscribed and cats are like. I'm liking because I love cats. I'm gonna be subscribed. Yung butterfly. I don't know. Share? Yeah, I'm gonna share. Guys, bakit brown na aking hair? Dito naman black. Ay, brown pa ito pala aking hair. Sorry. Sorry, badudies. Guys, if you were to live with her, ay nako. Samok. Oh my God, she called herself Samok. Uy, bad ka ha? Oo, gito na. Diba? Sabi niya, if you were to live with her, guys, I said that. She said Samok. Oh my God, she said she was Samok. Okay, hindi ka lagi Samok. Hindi ka Samok. You are not 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 Samok lagi. She's the one who called herself Samok and she's crying right now. No, she's not crying. She's just sad. I ripped my literal out my body. Was hiding from you guys. I guess this is my channel na, haha. Charot. Wala. She's raging. You might not hear anything, but she's raging. It's a red light, so that's why we're not moving. looks like the rice and the sushi. Like this is on top of the sushi, the rice. Right there. It's like that. Guys, ang kulit. Ang kulit. This might be like 30 minutes long. 20? I don't know. It's just a vlog. And also comment down below who your favorite AMSE character is. If you don't know what AMSE means, then AMNSE. It's I'll put in a section, okay? Mine is Felix Collins. Quiet. Ikaw quiet. Mine's Felix Collins, which is actually Kurt Delos Reyes. And you guys know Yan de Jesus, which is Drew. Like his song with JJ, we danced together. I'm just gonna call them by their names. So with Ashton and Yan, they went like what's that called? Shoot by Andrew. Babalik sa Manila, ako ay babalik. She hates me dancing this when we're at home. She hates me dancing. Babalik sa Manila. The light is getting crazy. The lighting is getting crazy. Babalik sa Manila, ako ay Nabaliw-baliw ako sa kanyang mamahan. Okay lang di maiwasan na pagbisan-bisan. Okay lang di maiwasan na pagbisan-bisan. Pero magigigil at ito siya titigil. I don't know the full lyrics. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Bro's the one who wanted to make the video and Bro's shy. Okay, so we are here at KCC.
We're not even inside yet.
We're in the mall. We're in the why did I say on? At or in the mall, but there the view.
We're outside the mall.
Yeah, we're outside the mall. Very good art grammar.
Bossy. Shut up, you was our face, bro.
I know, but I'm showing. Oh my god, guys. Okay, guys, so I will just not show you guys. I will not show you guys without.
Sorry.
Ha?
Paano ka makapit sa taas?
Bakit? Ang mga bata.
Saan mo muli? Bakit?
Nandang sandali. Huwag ka muna nito, boss. Huwag ka muna magkuhan ng hello, ha? Do not go near to the door. Hello.
Sa kabila.
Okay, we're gonna go in. Oh my god, the iconic Christmas party.
Kumaya na cellphone mo, hello. Pinacharge ba ni Lolo, ha?
Okay po. We're making a vlog. I'm wearing this even though it's super init. I'm forced to. No, it's gonna be too short. Para makita tayo lahat.
Please,
Diyan ang guard, ma'am. Iwan mo talaga sa guard. Hello, tignan mo yung damit mo,
Alam ko.
So we're outside the mall.
Uy! Diyan ang guard. Itigpit mo.
Dito lang. Hindi pa siya na.
Okay, mag-part 2 tayo, We're gonna go in pa.